Kohli, CEO of NTN Minerals and Chemicals. We make our product in the name of Cool Magic. This coating basically reflects the heat back to the atmosphere, which helps you reducing your indoor room temperature without using any kind of electricity. It works basically on reflection basis. It reflects the sun rays back to the atmosphere. So practically when you apply this coating on a day when temperature is around 45 degrees, the roof temperature goes to 65 to 70 degrees. But if you apply our coating on your surface, it helps you reducing the roof surface temperature. It reduces surface temperature from 60 degree to approximate 45 to 50 degree. That helps you reducing your indoor temperature to up to 4 degree, maybe 2 to 4 degrees. And if the shed is closed one, the results are much more better. So this is the basic phenomenon of this coating, that it reflects rays back to the atmosphere. So when you apply our coating, you will get more production, better life, better you can say feed consumption, and your profits. So this is all what we can do. And second thing, this is the introduction of our coating, which is against your tha which are using, that is against your lime which you are using on the top. So after doing our coating, there is no need of using the tha on your roof or your lime coating on your roof. This is basically made up of specialty chemical which reflects the heat and not allowing it to transfer to your inner room. Secondly, it is automatically get cleaned when it is raining. So it is very friendly with the rainy areas where nothing other things get washed off, but it automatically get cleaned. So it actually helps you to reduce your temperature when it is automatically get cleaned, sir. This is the first time actually I am participating in this Poultry India. Yeah, it is a good response. In fact, the best response. I have already participated in other exhibitions, but this is my first experience here, and this is the best thing, best experience I have got here, sir. It is a very good, in fact, the response is very good. People are coming from all over, not only from India, from outside also, and they are giving good response, good, in fact, appreciating my product, and I think I am getting very good business. I am going to get it. For more information, in fact, you can go to my website, that is www.ntnminerals.com, or you can directly contact me at 987601611. In fact, if you have area above 50,000 of square feet, we have applicators and they come to your place and apply our coating on your rooftop. So we do the complete job. We not only sell you the material, we do the complete job. We apply it on your rooftop. So everything will be done professionally. We have instruments which show you the difference. Call us, apply our coating, see the results, and again, if you like it, give us orders. Otherwise, if you don't like it, then we are again happy and we'll like to serve you better.